Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. Today, we have an extraordinary topic that will open new doors for you. We'll be exploring the world of wealth creation and skill enhancement. Learn to build a path to riches and level up your skills. Hello, everyone. I am thrilled to guide you toward financial abundance and personal development. In this video, we'll equip you with the knowledge and strategies to pave your way to wealth and upgrade your skills. Let's dive right in. Before we embark on our quest for riches, it's essential to cultivate the right mindset. Understanding the wealth mindset involves adopting specific beliefs and attitudes about money and abundance. Here are some key principles to help you grasp the wealth mindset. Abundance mentality. Embrace the belief that abundant wealth and opportunities are available worldwide. Instead of viewing wealth as a limited resource, see it as something that can be created and shared. This mindset allows you to focus on possibilities rather than limitations. Financial goal setting. Set clear and achievable financial goals for yourself. You can create a roadmap and take focused action by defining what you want to achieve financially. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and regularly track your progress to stay motivated and make necessary adjustments along the way. Investing in yourself. Recognize the value of investing in your personal and professional development and acquire new skills that can enhance your earning potential and open up new opportunities. Whether through formal education, mentorship, or self-study, prioritize your growth and invest in building your capabilities. Building multiple streams of income. Aim to diversify your sources of income beyond a single paycheck. Explore ways to generate additional income streams, such as starting a side business, investing in real estate or stocks, or creating digital products. Building wealth isn't just about luck. It's about adopting a mindset that attracts opportunities and abundance. Number 2, identifying lucrative opportunities. Uncovering the gold mines of opportunity in entrepreneurship, investment, and innovative income streams can be a game changer for building wealth. Here's how you can explore these avenues. Entrepreneurship. Consider starting your own business or venture. Identify a problem or a need in the market and develop a solution or product that addresses it. Conduct market research, create a solid business plan, and gather the necessary resources and support to launch your enterprise. Entrepreneurship offers the potential for significant financial rewards, independence, and the ability to create value for others. Investment. Explore various investment opportunities to grow your wealth. Learn about asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or commodities. Understand the risks and rewards associated with each investment option and develop a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Risk management. While exploring these opportunities, it's essential to have a risk management strategy in place. Conduct thorough research, perform due diligence, and assess each opportunity's potential risks and rewards. Diversify your investments and income streams to mitigate the impact of any potential losses. Additionally, always have a financial safety net and set aside an emergency fund to weather unexpected challenges. Number 3, mastering financial management. Making money is just the beginning. Managing it is the key to long-term wealth. To master financial management, here are some key steps you can take. Create a budget. Develop a budget to track your income and expenses. Determine your financial goals and allocate funds accordingly. Regularly review and adjust your budget to ensure you live within your means and prioritize savings and investments. Manage debt wisely. Take a strategic approach to managing debt and prioritize paying off high-interest debts first, such as credit card balances or personal loans. Consider consolidating debts or negotiating with creditors for better repayment terms. Avoid excessive borrowing and use credit responsibly to maintain a healthy financial position. Invest for the future. Learn about different investment options and develop an investment strategy that aligns with your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Consider diversifying your portfolio across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds. Regularly review and rebalance your investments to ensure they align with your objectives. From budgeting and saving to investing in asset allocation, it's time to take control of your money and make it work for you. On number 4, supercharging your skills. While money is undoubtedly important, it's equally crucial to enhance your skills continually. Commit to lifelong learning and embrace a growth mindset. Seek opportunities to acquire new knowledge and skills through various channels, such as books, courses, workshops, online platforms, podcasts, or industry conferences. By leveling up your skills, you increase your value in the job market and open doors to new opportunities and higher income potential. Last but certainly not least, building a wealthy mindset community. Success is never a solo journey. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can accelerate your growth and open doors to collaboration and support. Together, we can achieve so much more. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this empowering video on building a path to riches and leveling up your skills. Remember, it all begins with adopting a wealth mindset, identifying lucrative opportunities, mastering financial management, supercharging your skills, and building a community of success-minded individuals. If you found this video valuable, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our future wealth-building content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big and working towards your path to riches.